How do you know if a channel is actually monetized? This is a question I get asked a whole bunch, and with good reason. YouTube is, after all, full of grey areas which lead to rumours about what you can or cannot do. For example, people say that you can't monetize AI voices, or meditation channels will be demonetized. Most of this is BS or subjective. So the best way to see if this is in reality actually true is to see if channels making this content are actually getting monetized. This goes for all types of channels, both faceless and branded. Now, before we jump into how to do this, I'm going to assume that you've read YouTube's monetization policies. If you haven't, then you need to stop watching this video and go and watch them right now. You can't expect to make money on YouTube if you don't even know the rules of use. But assuming that you've done that, your next step is making sure your niche can be profitable. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to check if any channel is monetized. And if you stay to the end, I'll also share some bonus tips on understanding how a channel is really making their money. I've said it before and I'll say it again, ads are rarely the main source of income. But we'll talk more on that later. The first way to check if a channel is monetized, and probably the easiest way, is with vidIQ. For those of you who don't know, vidIQ is a YouTube research tool that plugs into your browser and gives you information on your channel and those of your competition. I'll stick a link in the description to where you can download it for free, but essentially they've added a new feature that shows a green $sign with a check mark next to it to any channel's name that is officially monetized. This icon will remain grey if it isn't. So if you see a big channel with a grey icon, then something has probably gone wrong for them. On a side note, there are many other Chrome extensions that do this, but I found most of them to be a little bit spammy, so I wouldn't recommend downloading them. And I know many people out there, myself included, don't want to download unnecessary plugins, and perhaps even trusted ones like vidIQ. So this next method is for you guys. Firstly, go to the channel you want to check, and right-click and select View Source. Then press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac to open the search function. You then want to start typing monetization, spelt the American way with a Z. I know this may be painful for fellow Englishmen out there who normally spell it with an S, but hey, it is what it is. What should happen next is that part of the code will be highlighted stating a question. Is monetization enabled? If the value after this says true, then the channel is monetized. If it says false, then it isn't. Now, this method of checking is the most reliable, as plugins can sometimes get blocked. But as mentioned before, this is not the only way that YouTubers make money. To check for other ways, there are 2 things that you need to look for in their videos. The first is sponsorship. If you see the paid promotion icon in the top left-hand corner of the video, then someone has sponsored this video. Though some YouTubers break the rules and don't turn this on when uploading videos, so you'll need to watch the video in full to see if they mention a sponsor inside. A paid promotion is also normally accompanied by a link in the video description, so this is the next place you want to investigate. The description will be the main place to look for any other forms of monetization. There may be links to websites for merch, shops, online courses, services, newsletters, or even OnlyFans pages. Or there could potentially be shortened bit.ly style links that go to other websites. These are normally hidden affiliate links that they get paid a commission on if someone buys through their link. Lastly, there may be Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee links where they directly ask for donations or support for the channel. But by digging deeper into channels when doing your research, you'll be able to uncover a ton of ideas on how you can make money with your channel in your chosen niche. With that said, if you would like more step-by-step training on building profitable YouTube channels, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.